Hello you guys, today I'm back with a new video. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. So as you can already tell from the title, today I'm going to share my H&M haul, and I have lot of product to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. I'm starting with the first piece which I'm wearing right now. This is actually a dress. This is a denim shirt dress, and most of the celebrities are wearing this kind of shirts, and it looks very trendy and very casual also. And I personally like this kind of style, you know, be it white shirts or denim shirts or checkered shirts, every kind of shirts, just give me that. I just love wearing shirts. So this is the first piece which I want to share with you guys. As you can see, this is actually a dress, but I'm sitting down so I can't show you how it looks, but I will insert a picture somewhere here so you can see how it looks on me. So moving on to next purchase. Next I purchased this. This is actually a crop t-shirt, and I got it on a discount. This was priced at rupees 799, and I just got it for 249 or 239 something. So it is a great deal, and the color, finish and the material is so soft. I mean, of course it is H&M, you can't go wrong with it, and it looks beautiful wearing on. As you can see here, I will insert a clip or a picture so you can see how it looks on me. And of course, for the price I paid, this is absolutely gorgeous shirt, and it looks very beautiful wearing on. Next purchase is again a crop t-shirt, but not so much cropped. It is somewhere at a decent length, so everybody can wear it. So it is this. So this is the t-shirt I'm talking about. It has a knotting detail, twisted knot detail on a front part of the bottom, and it looks beautiful on. And it can be paired with denims and white shoes, and the material and the quality of this top is so soft and so squishy. So yeah, this is also a good deal. And yeah, this was priced at rupees 699, and I got it for like 399 or something. So this is also a good deal for me. So next I purchased is this. This is a white shirt, plain basic white shirt. As I told you already, I'm sucker for this vibe, you know. This looks beautiful on, and this was from their fresh collection. Yeah, it has some stretch to it. It is little bit stretchable, so fitting का भी कोई issue नहीं है, and it looks beautiful on, you know. It has that V kind of a neck detailing going on, so you can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with pants, and it will become formal. And yeah, I'll insert a picture wearing, or so you can see how it looks on me. And it is a very good and decent piece which I got, and it is priced at rupees 1299. I got a crop top. It is this one. It has string detailing going on, and you can actually stretch it and make it as much crop as you want, or you can loosen it up. And of course it is going to be a decent length for everyone, and it has a full sleeves, and it is ribbed kind of a material, so it looks beautiful on. And when I saw this on a model, I just imagined myself wearing this with black palazzo and black heels, and you know, it will look fabulous on. And you can see, I will insert a picture somewhere on the screen so you can see how it looks on. So moving on to next purchase. Next I purchased this. This is a spaghetti tank top. It is a pastel lilac color, and again this one is also from their fresh collection. So I mean, imagine this with paper bag trousers, or with denim mom jeans and jacket and boots. Yeah, it is going to look beautiful with everything. These are some basic staple piece to have in your wardrobe. So you can create so many outfits with this. It is going to look beautiful and fabulous at the same time. So next top which I bought is this. This is a crop top, kind of a tank top. I mean, it is not too cropped. It is it comes down to your navel, so it is a decent kind of a length, but you can tie it up till here, you know, and you can make it as cropped as you want, or you can just loosen up the knot, and this is going to be a very versatile piece again, you know. This is going to look beautiful, and I love whites and off whites and cream. Moving on to next purchase. Next I bought is this skirt. So as quick as I saw this on a model, I knew it कि मुझे ये piece चाहिए अपने wardrobe में, because this kind of a skirt I saw Deepika Padukone wearing in that movie Cocktail. Yep, Cocktail. In that song she was wearing this kind of a skirt with it was very short actually, but this is kind of a decent length, you know. It is not too cropped. It is very much wearable. I can pair this up with the grey grey off shoulder grey kind of a top, and it is going to look fabulous with you know, strappy chappals or sandals and grey top. So moving on to next product. So next I bought is this. This is a mom jean. Sorry, this is a mom jean. This has a raw hem to the bottom, so it looks very trendy and you know, little edgy, and it looks pretty, you know. And it has a button closure all the way down till here. It don't have a chain or zip closure, so it is pretty good quality. And this is kind of acid wash denim, so it has a very rigid, very raw feel to it, and it has a very light wash to it. This is so versatile piece, you know, and I was searching for this kind of a color. Mom jeans are pretty high waisted, you know, so it is going to be very comfortable, and it is going to give you a nice shape to your body. Mom jeans are going to look beautiful on any body type. Moving on to next product. Next I bought is this jumper. This is a boxy fit jumper and it has a boat neck. I mean, इसकी neckline बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty है. It looks beautiful on, you know, and you can wear it like this. Yeah, you can wear it like off-shoulder top, and actually it is a boxy fit, so you know, it is very versatile, and it looks very girly and very cute. I mean, जब भी मैं pink देखती हूँ ना, तो I feel यार मुझे चाहिए because I am obsessed with pastel pink and pastel blue and white and yeah, those kind of shades. So this is very cute, you know, and I will show you the picture how it looks on for winters and those lighter chiller months, you know. This is going to be very useful. दूसरा product मैंने जो लिया है, actually मैंने ना सब try करा है, तो सब वैसे का वैसा ही उल्टा पुल्टा रख दिया है मैंने. Don't judge me. So my next purchase is this. This is a sweatshirt. This is a cropped sweatshirt. It is pretty cropped. So again, it is baby pink in color, and it is a sweatshirt, but it is not too thick at all. It is pretty light material. Yeah, I mean, when it gets little chilly, little bit colder months, yeah, जब हल्की हल्की ठंड पड़ती है, then this comes very handy, you know, this type of pieces. And when I saw this on a model, I was like, please मुझे दे दो. I mean, imagine this with a high-waisted jean and chunky white sneakers or canvas shoes, Nike के, with bum bag. Yeah, oh my god, this is going to look very very pretty. I will insert a picture somewhere here so you can see that how it looks. And of course. You can never go wrong with this kind of pieces, you know. Next I bought is again a crop top. It is this one. So it is a ribbed material button down crop top. Button सिर्फ show के लिए है. It doesn't get open. So here it is, and it has a full sleeves also. So these days this kind of pattern and pieces are quite in, you know. So मैंने सोचा why not, let's try it on. I mean this will look gorgeous with black high waisted black jean and dark blue denim, yeah, and heels. Of course मैंने तो पूरी वो ही बना ली, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. I purchase is this. This is again a ribbed material, but इसका rib थोड़ा अलग है, थोड़ा wider है. So and again it has a chunky buttons for the show, of course open नहीं होता, and it looks beautiful, and it was priced at rupees 1299, but I got it for like 600 something. Yeah, it was on 50% discount, so looks beautiful on, you know, this kind of piece with boyfriend fit jean and heels and sandals. This is going to look so pretty. So I got it. And keeping the same theme going on, I got again another crop top. This one is in the shade grey, as you can already see, and the button closures in this works, and it is at 699, and again it is also in ribbed material. So yeah, my next purchase is this. Okay, so next spaghetti top I bought is this. This is a eyelet, what I don't know what it called. I mean you can see, yeah. This is a spaghetti top. It has यार इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Oh God, I know इसको क्या बोलते हैं, but the word is not coming in my mind. I am out of words. Oh my God, why this is happening to me? Fringe. Yup. Oh my God. Fringe. I guess, huh? Fringe. It has a fringe pattern going on front, and it has sweetheart kind of a neck. So it is going to look beautiful. I already knew it because I have already same top in yellow one also. This I bought 2 months back, but तब ये discount पे नहीं था. I paid a full price for this, but इसमें एक color available था. It was this one. It is sky blue color. So when I saw this on a discount, I mean it was for like 500 and something. इस पे 70% का off था, 70 or 65%. So it was a good deal. So I bought this also. Now moving on to next product. Next I bought is this. This is a off-shoulder crop top kind of a pattern. Yeah. But it has this kind of a pattern, you know. I don't know how to describe it in words, but I hope you can see the pattern. And it was also on discount, and imagine this with high-waisted dark blue denim and strappy sandals. Yeah, this will look good. So next I bought this, and I will insert a picture so you can see how it looks on. So next I bought is this. This is a linen jogger. सबकी बैंड बजाई पड़ी है मैंने. Which has cuffed ankle, so it looks pretty good, and it has a drawstring pattern which works. Obviously ये show के लिए नहीं है. It works, and it is in pure linen material, so it is goddamn comfortable. And these kind of pieces are, you know, you can immediately transform it into a formal, into a casual, and for casual look I can wear this with any kind of white, pink, blue t-shirt, and it is going to look fabulous. So this is value for money, and I got it on discount, of course. मैंने ऐसे ही नहीं लिया है. It is originally priced at rupees 2299 and I got it for like 1300 something. So इस पे अच्छी डील चल रही थी and I was looking for a linen jogger for so long, you know. So yeah, next I bought is this. So this is a simple crop top. This is so basic piece which again can be styled with anything, like with shirts, with denim, with jacket, and it is going to look pretty cool. So yeah, next I bought this dress and it was on a 50% discount, you know. It is originally priced at rupees 799 and I got it for like only 399. So it is pretty good and decent length है इसकी. So it can be worn on a beaches, on a day out, casual day out. I mean, इसको पहन लिया, इसको denim jacket के साथ team कर लिया. So it is going to look fabulous. Next I bought is again a crop top, crop t-shirt. It is this one. It is very dark grey kind of a shade. It has pink colored detailing going on. ये मॉडल पे जब मैंने देखा था तो उसे बहुत खूबसूरत लगा था, but I think I'll be returning this because I didn't like it much. I mean, this looks pretty decent, but not as pretty as I want it to be. You know what I'm saying, you know. I'm not kind of feeling this vibe, so I think I'll be returning this. Next I bought is this shimmery kind of spaghetti top. This is again a very staple piece. I mean, I can imagine myself styling this with paper bag trousers or denim shorts, and this is going to look beautiful. So my next purchase is this. This is a spaghetti top, and the color, actually, the color attracted me most. I mean, you know, I don't have anything in this color. This color is so pretty, you know. This is going to look amazing on. So next what I bought is this. This is a fanny pack. So this is very spacious, you know, and मैंने इसको use भी कर डाला एक बार. So actually it is originally priced at rupees 1300, but I got it for 750, so it is a good deal. And I'm very much into this kind of, you know, fanny packs and all. I mean, so this is very spacious and very cute, and it looks very stylish and very trendy, and I'm sucker for that vibe, you know. So my next purchase is this. This is a tokri bag. Yeah, straw bag, right? I got it. This is a straw bag, and it is very spacious, you know. It is double lined, so it is a pretty good quality. बहुत ही अच्छी quality है इसकी, and it looks very casual and very stylish, you know. Very summery and beachy kind of a beach kind of a vibe. Yeah, again holiday kind of a feel देता है ये. So my next purchase is this. These sneakers from H&M. I mean, मेरे पास white shoes तो थे, but वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा chunky नहीं थे. I have one in canvas. Yeah, it was in a canvas pattern. So मुझे ऐसे chunky shoes चाहिए थे. So I got one for me, and of course these are very trendy these days, and बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्यूट एंड वह बहुत ही ज़्यादा चिल्ड और बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्मार्ट लुक देता है. एंड दिस कैन बी पेयर्ड विथ ड्रेसेस, विथ शॉर्ट्स, विथ डेनिम, एंड इट इज़ गोइंग टू लुक वेरी. नेक्स्ट आई गॉट इज दिस. This is a thigh high boots. It is in velvet finish. These are very good quality, let me tell you very clearly. These are very good quality. मेरे पास boots थे, but thigh high boot एक भी नहीं था. So मैंने जब ये देखा वेबसाइट पे तो I thought this is the best time to buy these. I mean, it is for 3999. and it is going to look very stylish. I mean, thigh high boots are very compatible with whatever you wear. I mean, with skinny jeans and with dresses, with shorts, with skirts, with whatnot. You can wear it with everything. So yeah, those were the all products which I bought from H&M, and here we came to an end of this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. I will see you all super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.